Stuck with a dead battery? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're giving you the ultimate step-by-step guide on how to safely jumpstart your car. Whether you're a first-timer or just need a quick refresher, this is your go-to video. Let's get started. First things first, safety is key. Make sure you're parked in a safe location, away from traffic. Turn off both cars, engage the parking brakes, and pop the hoods. If it's dark, use hazard lights or a flashlight to ensure visibility. Now, grab a set of jumper cables. Red for positive, black for negative. Got them? Great. But before connecting, take a quick look at the battery. Are there any cracks, leaks, or corrosion? If you see any damage, do not attempt to jumpstart. Call for professional help. Step 1. Connect the red clamp to the positive plus terminal of the dead battery. Make sure the connection is firm and secure. Step 2. Attach the other red clamp to the positive plus terminal of the working battery. Ensure no metal parts are touching to avoid sparks. Step 3. Connect the black clamp to the negative terminal of the working battery. Step 4. Finally, attach the last black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the dead car's engine block. This grounds the connection and reduces the risk of sparks. A sturdy bolt or bracket works well. Now, start the working car and let it run for 2 to 3 minutes. This charges the dead battery slightly. During this time, check for any unusual noises or smells. If you notice anything strange, turn off both cars immediately. Next, try starting the dead car. Turn the key for about 5 seconds. If it doesn't start right away, wait a minute and try again. Avoid cranking the engine continuously to prevent damage. Check cable connections. Ensure metal contact is clean. Let donor car run longer if needed. Once the car starts, it's time to disconnect, but in reverse order. This prevents accidental short circuits. Remove the black clamp from the grounded metal surface. Then the black clamp from the working battery. Next, the red clamp from the working battery. Finally, the red clamp from the now started car. Keep the engine running for at least 15 to 20 minutes to help recharge the battery. Better yet, go for a short drive to allow the alternator to do its job. Avoid turning off the engine immediately after jump-starting, especially if the battery was completely dead. If your car struggles to start again later, you might need a new battery, or there could be an issue with the alternator. It's always a good idea to visit a mechanic for a quick checkup. Bonus tips for battery health. Clean battery terminals regularly. Check your battery voltage monthly. Replace old batteries every 3 to 5 years. And that's it. Simple, safe, and effective. If this video helped you out, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more car tips, and share it with someone who might need it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.